week. My children, they have classes until 20 or 23. Gusto mucho, debe ser con mucho respeto. Muchas gracias, Yander. Tú eres muy buen amigo, ¿sabes, Yander? Y te admiro por tu gran apoyo. Harang salamat, 10 days now and another 10 days break coming next Friday. Wow! That's good, Manny. And how's your daughter, Manny? Salamat sa mga paharang-harang dyan. Hello, Jander de Lorico. So we have friends from Brazil, from Portugal, from the USA, from the UK, from Germany. We are international today, guys. And we have friends also from KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Hello, Lori. Todo bien? Ayan. Sis Lori, ano daw? How are you daw? Sabi ni Jander. Obrigado per cariño de todos vos. Muchas gracias también, Jander. She's good. Parent-teacher conference yesterday. She's doing good, but she needs to stay still more. But she's very, how old is she? I think she's only 4 years old, right? So, did she start going to nursery school? Salamat, Bunso. Salamat, Inang, sa BG-BG dyan. I am cutting vegetables here, Manny, because I'm going to keep in the freezer. So that when we need, we'll just take out and cook. She's in pre-kindergarten. Oh, okay. Okay, Jander, gracias. So what's the weather like there today, Manny? Salamat, Ading Charles. So, anong gamit mo ngayon, Charles? Naka-ano ka? Naka-data ka lang? Hindi ba mahal ang data dyan? Pag hindi wifi? Dito kasi mahal pag data eh. De su abrazo de su amigo brasileiro, Jander. Sabi ni, guys, hugs from our friend Jander from Brazil. Salamat sa harang, Ading Charles. Nakailang minutes na ba tayo? Kasi ikat ko lang ito at magluluto ako ng dinner ni Amo. Ako kasi nasanay na ako, prutas lang kinakain ko sa gabi. Pag mga 6:30 to 7, prutas na lang kinakain ko ba? Nasanay naman na ako. Ayan, ang laki. O, diba? Ang laki ng Kasi yung 4 na binili ko, more than, na yun? 2 kilos. Yung 3 red at saka 2 green. More than 2 kilos na yun. Kano pinambayad ko dun? Siya eh. More than 4 euros. Yung 3 red and 2 green. Ayan, kaya pala siya Ayan. Kaya pala mabigat. Kasi may mga anak-anak doon sa loob. Ayan O, diba? Grabe naman itong pepper na to, May anak doon sa loob. Kaya pala